Let's hope not.
I'm sure of it.
Let's hope not.
Like a new couch.
Got a new couch. Except it's got a blanket all over it. Hey, Lucy. Arrgh. Oh, look, there's the fur.
The fur!
With the fire starter.
Oh, beautiful fur.
What's Daddy doing?
You want to know what fur is?
Fire, fire, fire. Fire, fire, fire.
Beautiful fur! Beautiful fur!
Fire, fire, fire. What is that? What is
A
it?
fur!
What's that, Lucy? Is that really soft?
Hey, ready? Oh, I can't roll.
Ah, the fire. It's a little fire.
It's the fire. The fire.
Go outside and see the smoke coming from the chimney.
Ow. Yeah.
Probably not yet. You probably need to wait just a... Whoa, Lucy, you're bumping me. Fire! Say fire. Lucy, can you say fire?
Read my book. Read my book. I'm writing a book.
You're writing a book? Is it about a girl who writes a book?
It cracked it.
No!
Dang it.
Wow, you're fantastic. Good job. Well, it's got a
long pincher things.
going for a hike to the Monkey Rock. Look at that view.
Look at that view. Hi,
Look at that,
everybody.
Mom.
You should be with us.
93
Gorgeous day.
yards. 8 minutes.
I guess I should take my camera out, huh?
See the Cal Neva over there?
There, sticking up.
There are beaches,
There are beaches.
I think, or those private beaches.
You
Oh,
see
there
this?
are beaches.
You see this ridge here? This whole ridge that eventually leads down to the Cal Neva?
Just bring my layers. I know to bring hat, gloves, and scarves. You know,
That's a nice house. A little bit of burning.
Look at that. Wow.
Doing some prescription burning. This is so nice. I like living here. I hope that color comes out in this video.
That's what I say. She's called the last. Oh, look at the tree. Got the lake in the background.
It's a cricket tree.
Miles per hour.
You may want
Behind us. Who's this? Put that on the hall.
Oh, geez.
to. You may want to go to the room trail.
No, not today. This is my vest that I got at that store we found next to the furniture consignment.
Pretty. Oh, I'm tired.
When you go that fast doing a video, doesn't it mess it up? I thought
I'm
you
not
had
going
to
that
go real
fast.
slow.
I wasn't going that fast.
Never.
This is a lot of uphill.
Gives me the opportunity to find all new places.
That blue sky.
That's funny. I hiked one time.
Can't you go to
Up the
right?
hill.
Oh, sure.
2,
Go to the right.
3,
We're here. We might as well get up to the top. One last push. And then it's all downhill.
You've got another 50 yards to go. That's it. You're almost there.
We made it to the top. Yay.
Godzilla gorilla.
There's a monkey. There's a monkey rock. Oh, geez, Mom. So pretty.
Are we in your way?
Nope. Wow, it's so blue. Beautiful.
That's gonna be a nice picture. Good. All right. Here comes one. Picture.
It's the monkey. Aw.
Nah, I'm not going down there. Now someone could go come and carve this other rock over here.
Monkey rock. Monkey needs a friend.
1 point.
It's better from over here.
Miles. 46.
Why
The
don't you
front?
go down and see? Take a picture and let us know.
Without talking. We gotta do it together.
Beautiful lake. Beautiful Lake Tahoe. Look at the color of the water. It's amazing. There's a monkey rock through the trees. That was steep coming down. You can't tell.
Take a picture right through there and say that's what we had to hike in to get to it.
I'm videoing right now, so whatever you just said.
3 miles. 51 minutes.
Dun,
Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun.
dun.
Randy High, she told us to do it. Start over.
Dun, 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 dun. It's Bonanza! This is where Bonanza was filmed.
Hey,
A
Hoss.
little bit. I've never actually seen Bonanza, but
It actually is a pretty good show. It was a
I
number
hear
one
it was a
show,
good show.
for 10 years.
there you go. You heard it from the Bonanza expert.
We grew up in the good old days. Those were the good old days. We only had 2 channels.
And you had to get up out of your chair to change the channel.
It was black and white.
Black and white. Yay, Lucy! Oh, Anna.
Anna, you just talked to them.
Drop and run. Oh no.
Mommy, can I get in the train with Lucy?
You can go on the train? No, no, no. Just let her. Let's pull her over there. Lucy! Yay!
In the wagon.
What are you doing?
Ride the horsey. That's not working.
Lucy, look at Mama. Yay!
Photos.
Yay! Lucy.
Ride in the wagon.
Lucy Lou. You didn't want to ride?
It's blue wagon. It's easier to pull.
Lucy, look at Mama.
Say bye-bye, train. Bye-bye, train.
What do you see?
Bye-bye, train. Bye-bye, Sissy. Sissy's on the train.
Lucy! It's hilarious. I love it. Oh my gosh, so funny. I love it. Lucy!
You got your wagon for your birthday last year, I think.
Lucy, is Maisie pulling you?
Maisie, look at the piggies.
Can you wave to the pigs?
Oh, you want to go down the slide? Okay.
Lucy, you want to go down the slide?
I don't know where this.
Can you pull it? Good girl. Go! Whee!
Look at this. Look here. Look behind you.
You gonna go?
Behind you.
All right, hold on.
Look.
Okay. Woo! Oh, that was a fast slide. Can you get on that? Anna, can you help her get on that?
It doesn't really.
Oh, put it, she's not on the seat. Yay! Anna, move, move. Lucy, look at Mama. Lucy, is Sissy pulling you in the wagon? Hold on, slow down. Hey, Lucy, look at Mama. Yay! Look at this. Oh, look at the pumpkin. Yay!
Okay, so Mom, when we get there, you really need to do exactly as I told you.
Oh, I need to do exactly as you tell me? Or what's going to happen?
Nothing.
Where are we going? We're going way over there.
That's not way.
Lucy, say wee! Oh, all right. Look, you see the little pumpkins?
Do exactly as I tell you, okay?
Or what?
Just do it.
Ooh, oh, that's kind of freaky.
Oh, that is.
Wow. What? Ah! What is that, Lou? What is that? Uh-oh, Sissy's in jail. What are we gonna do? Anna. You wanna go see Sissy?
You can't touch me. I'm like, you just touched me.
What's that?
Hey,
What's
Mom,
that
See
guy?
what I mean? Mommy, look.
Did you just shimmy your way in there?
She probably could have.
I know. You really could. She can.
Sissy. Ready, Lucy?
Here we go. Ready?
Correct.
Yay!
Now watch how fast.
Beautiful day. Perfect. Gorgeous.
Anna's being a cowgirl over there. She's roping the bull's butt.
Okay, go back to that hole.
What'd you find?
She had her nose all the way down in it.
Dig.
She smells it. Look at her.
What
You
it
can
is.
Like a mole or something?
You could have. You saw the
Yeah.
tunnel. It used to just be like one big mound.
Get it, Rosie. Get it. Yeah, they're too big to be anthills. Look how big that is.
Back to that hole.
Making a drainage ditch. That pipe, the water comes all the way from up it up. Oh, you don't want your phone number?
Get it.
You done?
Is there another one? Uh-oh. Got another one? Oh, we found another one.
She was chewing on pine cone.
Here we go.
She was eating it.
You see her?
Here she goes.
Dig, Rosie,
I want to
dig.
post this on YouTube.
Dig, Rosie, dig.
I paused it.
How do you go? Dig, Rosie, dig.
What's down there? Get it. Get it.
You did your exercise today, Rosie.
Let's see those paws. Let's see those paws.
Oh, there's a hole. Look under there.
Sorry, I got you in the video. Not posting it.
They got the holes in the yard.
Yep.
Well, let's watch those paws work. Where's that tail go?
No. Is it like a mole?
7 in the hour in the morning, you know, set up a race. This thing got more than enough room to sleep inside. The board
There's such cat called a sandstorm.
Yeah.
Okay, Anna's rolling. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, one crazy one now.
3.
I don't know.
That's kind of scary.
Help me.
Can you grab one for Lucy? There you go, Anna. Say thank you.